Which way you want to go? Through the pasture? Okay.
Wait.
Bella might have hit her chin.
Wait.
Hey everyone, today we're doing marriage counseling. We're going to put fencing up as a couple. If you've ever worked with your spouse, you know that it really is marriage counseling.
It's wonderful.
But we really are going to put some fence up. We got, I don't know, about 500 feet or so to go. So we're just putting the T-post up for today, and then later on, once the ground is more dry, we'll go ahead and put the actual wire fencing up. So let's get started. First, we're going to start out by putting our tape down, and we'll stretch it straight across, and that'll give us an indication of whether or not we're going in a relatively straight line. If you don't, it's going to look like this. You'll have one fence post here, you'll have another one out here, you'll have another one like way up here. It'll look terrible. So just stretch the tape out. We don't use it for the measurements because we usually just pace it off and set them down, but we aim for about 8 to 10 feet per fence post, so some are a little farther, some are a little shorter. I don't know if you can see all these guys that are just circling in the sky over here, but they all circled up like that when George was laying down, and he'd been laying there for a while. I think they thought he was dead.
About here?
Yeah, that'll work. And you made the line crooked.
Huh?
You have to grab it. You have to grab it from the bottom of the handle, and then swing it. So go back. Or you, never mind.
I'm not tall enough. Did it go anywhere?
It's going slowly. Push it back a little bit. There you go. Now keep going. Almost there. That's probably good. Nailed it. Good job. Well, this round of marriage counseling is complete.
Successful. We
Yep.
didn't yell at each other.
No. So now we'll have our next session here shortly. Depends when we're ready to put the fencing up, if it ever dries out. So, well, I hope you enjoyed the video this week. Of course, like normal, like the video if you like it, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed what you see. Other than that, have a blessed week. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
And wash your hands.
Yeah, you filthy animals.